Hello, physics, temperature, and kinetic theory. The problem is a pendulum in a grandfather clock is made of brass. Coefficient of thermal expansion is 1910 per minus 6 over 1 over Celsius and keeps a perfect time at 17 degrees C. How much time is gained or lost in a year if the clock is kept at temperature 25 degrees C? So there are two temperatures. One is 17 degrees C, another one is 25 degrees C. And here the time period is perfect. And here is some error. It has either gain or loses time. So we have to find this one, how much is gained. So this is a temperature T naught, and this is the T. And because T is greater than T naught, so that means length. This is L naught length, and this is L length. So that means L is greater than L naught. So the time period, which is we write in tau, is 2 pi L over G square root. So that means tau 25 degrees C is greater than tau naught, which is at 17 degrees C. So tau minus tau naught is equal to delta tau. So we will find the fractional time period, which is delta tau over tau naught. So which is equal to, we will write down the expression. This is tau minus tau naught over tau naught. So this is equal to tau is equal to 2 pi L over G square root minus tau naught 2 pi L naught over G square root divided by 2 pi L naught over G square root. So uh, 2 pi uh, 2 pi over G square root is common. On top, 2 pi over G square root down into this will be L square root minus L naught square root divided by L naught square root. This is cancelled. So we have expression which is equal to L square root minus L naught square root over L naught square root. So this is delta tau over tau 0. But here L is equal to L naught plus alpha L naught delta time temperature. Alpha is a coefficient of linear expansion, and this is initial length, and this is temperature. Length as 17 degrees C. So we will use this expression. So this is equal to L naught plus alpha L naught delta temperature minus L naught square root over L naught square root. L naught square root is common. So if it is common, we'll use this one L naught square root. So 1 plus alpha delta temperature 1 over 2 minus 1 over L naught square root. This is cancelled. So we have this expression 1 plus alpha delta temperature 1 over 2 minus 1. If we substitute the values, 1 plus alpha is 19 into 10 power minus 6 over 1 over Celsius into delta T. Delta T is 25 minus 17, which is 8 degrees C, 1 over 2 minus 1. So this is equal to, this whole expression is equal to 7.6 into 10 power minus 5. This is equal to delta tau over tau naught. So that means delta tau is equal to 7.6 into 10 power minus 5 tau 0. So tau 0 is 1 year, 1 year at 17 degrees C. So delta tau is equal to 7.6 into 10 power minus 5 into 1 year. 1 year 365, 24 days, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. So this is equal to 2402 second increase or gained. So this is delta tau, or delta tau is equal to nearly 40 minutes. So this is the answer. So because length increase, time period increase, and there is the error in the measurement of time. So over a year, 40 minutes is increased.